Hi everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most durable and versatile fabrics out there, duck canvas. Whether you're reupholstering a chair, making a sturdy tote bag, or even painting a masterpiece, this fabric is something you'll want to know all about. Canvas is also called duck because of its origin of the Dutch word doek. I gotta see how that sounds. Doek. All right. Canvas is also called duck because of its origin of the Dutch word doek, which means cloth. This fabric resists wear and tear, making it perfect for high-use items. However, it's still easy to sew with a standard home machine. Canvas is a heavy-duty woven fabric, usually made from 100% cotton or a blend of cotton and synthetic fibers. Its tight, plain weave construction makes it strong and durable, perfect for projects that need to hold up over time. Canvas is categorized by either a weight or a number. This refers to the way that the fabric is woven. If it has a weight, it means it's a single fill weave, and if it has a number, it means it's a double fill weave. The warp yarn runs vertically along the fabric, and the weft yarn runs horizontally along the fabric. A single fill weave will have one weft yarn running horizontally, where a double fill will have two weft yarns running horizontally, making the fabric stronger and stiffer. Numbered canvas is typically used for more heavy-duty applications. We have a few different types of canvas here: natural undyed, dyed canvas, and primed canvas. The natural canvas is left unbleached and undyed. This results in a neutral color and may have dark flecks, which can give a more rustic look. This dyed canvas is a 10-ounce single fill weave and comes in a variety of colors. The pre-dyed solid colors give it a consistent, even appearance, typically with a matte or slightly textured finish. You can also get primed canvas, which is natural canvas coated with an acrylic gesso on one side. It is commonly used for painting because it won't absorb paint like a natural canvas will. Some branded canvas fabrics, like this umbrella, are different from the duck cloth. These fabrics are primarily polyester or acrylic, whereas duck is usually cotton. These are mainly used for outdoor applications. There's so many things you can do with canvas. You can make jackets or shoes. For art, you can paint or make collages. Outdoor gear, upholstery, slipcovers, pillows, or even curtains. The dyed canvas is a great fabric for beginners like me. I have actually made a few projects out of it so far. What I like about the fabric is that it's very easy to cut and it's very easy to run on the machine. All right, so that's canvas fabric. If you've got any questions or if you've got something to add, please do so in the comments below. We'll see you next time.